everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So today we will focus on the remaining subtopics of effective reading, namely main idea, thesis statement, topic sentence, as well as supporting details. Ready? Let's begin our lesson. Main idea of a text. When we talk about main idea, actually it refers to the general idea or the main point of the passage. It can be conveyed in two ways, stated or implied. If it's stated, usually you can easily spot it in the most general sentence in the paragraph. You can always find it in the introduction paragraph. How about implied? If it's implied, the writer does not include any sentences that gives direct information about the topic of the paragraph. Instead, the writer only gives details that point to the main idea rather than clearly stated it. So how we can spot or identify main idea? It's easy by asking these two questions. First, what is the topic of the paragraph or text? Second, what does the writer want you to know about the topic? Let me further exemplify it in this short passage. Students need to use the library to source for materials to prepare for their examinations and assignments. The library also provides up-to-date information in various fields, which allows students to keep abreast of new developments in different areas. In addition, it provides a conducive environment for students to study. Realizing the importance of library to students, universities are willing to spend any amount of money on improving library facilities. So, in order to spot the main idea of this short passage, you need to ask two questions. First, what is the topic of the paragraph? It's all about the usefulness of library to students. Next question, what does the writer want you to know about the library? Basically, the library is useful and important for students. When you are able to answer these two questions, you can deduce the main idea of this short passage. Basically, the main idea is all about the library is useful and important for students to prepare for the examinations and assignments. How about thesis statement? Thesis statement states the main idea of the essay in a complete sentence. It controls the content of the entire essay and contains subpoints that helps reader to know how the essay will be organized. Usually, you can spot or locate thesis statement at the end of an introduction paragraph. Topic sentence? Actually, it is a sentence within a paragraph that has the general main idea of the whole paragraph. Normally appears at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the paragraph. So how we are going to distinguish between thesis statement and topic sentence? Simple, easy. A thesis statement tells what the entire of the essay, entire of the text is all about. But as for topic sentence, it tells what a body paragraph is about. It focuses on a body paragraph. How about supporting details? It is the other sentences within the paragraph. Supporting details indicate reasons, examples, or even explanations that support the topic sentence of the paragraph. Let me show you the example of topic sentence and supporting details in this short paragraph. Malaysia is a beautiful country in many ways. It has white sandy beaches and cool refreshing hill resorts. Modern cities with beautiful architecture in an exotic combination of Eastern and Western influence also add to its charm. The physical beauty is further enhanced by the colorful and harmonious blend of its various cultures. The warmth and friendliness of the Malaysian people too is another of its attractions. So what is the topic sentence of the paragraph? Malaysia is a beautiful country in many ways. Why? Because it contains the umbrella statements of the remaining sentences in this particular paragraph. The rest of the sentences in the paragraph further expands the topic sentences, and it is called supporting details. So it can be further exemplified in the visualization of large umbrella. Topic sentence is the umbrella sentence that clusters all your supporting details. So in that particular short paragraph, it was mentioned that Malaysia is a beautiful country in many ways. Why? Malaysia is considered a beautiful country in many ways. What is your supporting details? First, it has wide sandy beaches and cool refreshing hill resorts. Second, modern cities with beautiful architecture in an exotic combination of Eastern and Western influence also add to its charm. Third, the physical beauty is further enhanced by the colorful and harmonious blend of its various cultures. And finally, the warmth and friendliness of the Malaysian people too is another of its attraction. So class, clear? Let's try these exercises together, in which you need to identify which sentence is your topic sentence and which statement is your supporting details. Shall we try together for exercise 1? Ready? According to the local mythology, Gunung Ledang is the home of the legendary princess of incomparable beauty, while Lake Chini is supposed to be inhabited by a serpent which guards the depths of its famous lake. In addition, Mount Kinabalu is believed to be such hallowed soil that offerings have to be made to appease the spirits of the mountain. It is obvious that Malaysia is shrouded in mystery. So which sentence contains or can be considered as your topic sentence? Obviously, the last sentence. It is obvious that Malaysia is shrouded in mystery. It is an umbrella statement to this particular paragraph. Why Malaysia is shrouded in mystery? Because of first Gunung Ledang, home of the legendary princess of incomparable beauty. Second, Lake Chini, inhabited by a serpent which guards the depths of its famous lake. You also have Mount Kinabalu, believed to be such hallowed soil that offerings have to be made to appease the spirits of the mountain. So basically, the earlier statements are your supporting details that further tells you why Malaysia is shrouded in mystery. Clear? Let's move on to the second exercise. You need to identify the topic sentence as well as its supporting details. Ready? Shall we try it together? Acupuncture can be used as a painkiller or an anesthesia. In this practice, needles are used as the instruments of treatment. These needles are inserted at specific points in the body. Acupuncture is actually a unique Chinese medical practice. It is also used to treat illness such as migraine, arthritis, and ulcers. So which sentence can be considered as a topic sentence? It is located in the middle of the paragraph. Acupuncture is actually a unique Chinese medical practice. It contains the main idea of this particular paragraph, and the rest remaining sentences are your supporting details. Namely, first sentence, acupuncture can be used as a painkiller or an anesthesia. Second sentence, in this practice, needles are used as the instruments of treatment. Third sentence, these needles are inserted at specific points in the body. And finally, the last sentence, it is also used to treat illness such as migraine, arthritis, and ulcers. So these sentences are your supporting details that further tells you why acupuncture is a unique Chinese medical practice. Moving on to the last exercise, exercise 3. When the strings on a guitar or mandolin are made to vibrate, they emit sounds of varying tone and pitch. Wind and percussion instruments work on the same principle too. Columns of air in trumpets and flutes vibrate and produce sounds when air is blown across them. All musical instruments work through vibration. So which statement in this particular paragraph can be considered as your topic sentence? Definitely your last sentence. All musical instruments work through vibration. It contains the main idea of this paragraph, and the rest remaining sentences are your supporting details, namely the first sentence, the second sentence, and the third sentence. Now we are done with our lecture, and it's time for you to complete your tutorial task and submit it in your Google Classroom. See you in the next video. Bye.